কৌশিক বাবু, আপনার ডেভেলপমেন্ট এগ্রিমেন্ট উইথ ডেভেলপমেন্ট পাওয়ার অফ অ্যাটর্নি এটা আপনি দেখতে বলেছিলেন, এটা আমি দেখে দিচ্ছি। এতে ল্যান্ড অনার হিসাবে কৌশিক বাউল আর শ্রীমতী চৈতালি বাউল দেখানো আছে। কৌশিক বাউল আর চৈতালি বাউল অ্যাজ এ ল্যান্ড অনার। মেসার্স রাইজিং, এইটা একটা প্রোপ্রাইটারশিপ ফার্ম, অফিসের ঠিকানা দেওয়া আছে। এর প্রোপ্রাইটার হচ্ছেন শ্রীমতী ছন্দা সাহা। ওনাকে ডেভেলপার হিসেবে দেখানো হচ্ছে। রাইজিং, শ্রীমতী ছন্দা সাহা ডেভেলপার হিসেবে দেখানো হচ্ছে। তারপরে প্রপার্টি টাইটেল ডেসক্রিপশনটা দেওয়া আছে, যে প্রথমত এখানে লেখা হচ্ছে যে এর ফার্স্ট প্রপার্টিটা কীভাবে আসলো আপনাদের অবধি, সেই শুরুয়াতি দৌড় থেকে ডিড অফ কনভেন্স ডেটেড 90 August 1955 এইটা থেকে চালু হয়েছে। তো প্রপার্টি ডিসক্রিপশন, এইখানে কোন ডিড মারফত এসছে, রেজিস্ট্রেশন নাম্বার অ্যান্ড অল দিস থিংস। এই জায়গাটা একটু ভাইটাল আছে। ডিড অফ কনভেন্স ডেটেড 30 September 2002 made by and between the Rabindranath Mukherjee, Srimati Ila Mukherjee, Anindita Mukherjee and Srimati Anamika Chakravarti, jointly conferred, referred to as the vendor of the one part, and Sri Kaushik Baul, son of late Dhiren Baul, and Srimati Chaitali Baul, wife of Sri Kaushik Baul, they are jointly referred to as the purchaser of the other part and registered at the office of the additional district sub-registry such and such. এটা ডিটেলসটা বুক নাম্বার, ভলিউম নাম্বার, পেজেস এগুলো দেওয়া নেই। হাউএভার ডিড নাম্বারটা দেওয়া আছে। 2002-তে আপনি এবং আপনার ওয়াইফ চৈতালি বাউল become the owner of the property. In respect of it, the land measuring an area of 2 kattha 4 chhatak 15 square feet BDC, a little more or less, together with the 3-storied building 600 square feet in each floor, totaling to 1800 square feet, appertaining to Mauja Kalidaha, jail number 23, RS number 1502, and other description of the property. তারপরে বলা হচ্ছে যে Sri Kaushik Baul and Chaitali Baul mutated their name in the record of the office of the concerned BL and LRO, as well as South Damda municipality. At present, the said property has been assessed and numbered appertaining to Mauja Kalidaha, jail number 23, RS number 1502, along with the other description of the property. Finally, it has been said that the Kaushik Baul and Chaitali Baul are thus now absolutely seized and possessed in fee simple possession, jointly free from all encumbrances. The all that piece and parcel of the land measuring An area of 2 katta 4 chhatak and 15 square feet be the same little or more or less together 3-storied building 600 square feet on each floor one, therefore the 1800 square feet 8 Moja Kalidaha jail number 23 RS number 1502. The said property details being well recognized as a premises number 161 Jaupur Road under South Damdam Municipality, Ward number 18 PS Damdam, Kolkata. Kolkata is not written here, just check it out. And whereas the said Kaushik Baul and Srimati Chautali Baul having decided to develop the said property, so the intention of the owner has been given. They want the demolition of the existing old dwelling house and by constructing a new multi-story residential cum commercial building thereon. So these are the purpose. Now this agreement witness. So therefore now the desire of both the developer and the owners of the property come to a conclusion for the development of a multi-storied residential cum commercial building on the said plot of land, and the same is agreed between the parties herein. The definition clause. The property details. Kolkata is blank. New building means what? Land sale means the said land. Sanctioned building plan, multi-storied building from South Damdam Municipality, described in the second schedule. Flat and unit, construction area may be sanctioned by the South Damdam Municipality. Owners means owners location. Shall mean entire first floor, entire fourth floor, and 50% of ground floor. This is very vital. The owner's allocation. Thereafter, developers, promoter, purchaser means intending purchasers of the property, unit, flat. Developers allocation, the rest property, rest. Architecture, concern of developer, municipality. Floor area ratio according to prevalent municipality rule. Roof shall means and include the entire open space of the roof building, excluding the space this and that. The developer at their own cost and expenses shall bring the main electric line in the premises. So the owner will not bear any expenses for electric line. Encumbrance, there is no lease pendants, no liability, no trust demand, acquisition, requisition by the government and public authorities whatsoever. This is okay. Singular number shall include masculine, it's all useless. Super built up area. super built up area. Cell means the covered area including the proportionate lift, stair, lobby of the said flat unit space apartment together with super built measuring 30% of the portion of service area which shall be determined by the developer in its absolute discretion. No, should be specified. Must specify. Must specify. Super built up area. Honors representation and indemnity of titles. This is okay. 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 Developer's representation. The developer also hereby undertake to construct the new multi-storied building in accordance with the sanction plan at its own cost. Okay. In carrying out the said development work and or construction of the new building, the developer shall keep the owners indemnified from and against all third-party claim or compensation and action due to any act of the omission, commission, or technical defect of the contractor or any accident in or related to the construction of the building for which the entire legal responsibility shall be of the developer. Okay. Exploitation right. The developer shall get the building plan prepared by a duly licensed building architect as stated herein above for the construction of the building and submit the same to the South Damdam municipality for necessary sanction and or permission and or clearance and or approval as may or shall be required for the construction of the new building in the said property. It's okay. The said owner shall all papers which may be required for the sanction of the plan. The said owner shall sign all papers. The developer at its own cost and expenses shall demolish the existing structure standing on the said land and shall be entitled to sell or otherwise utilize the entire demolition structure for its personal gain. Okay. Building. Building in or upon property, the developer shall be entitled to apply for in the name of the owner and obtain quota entitlement on the rare location such and such. It's okay. The developer shall be entitled at its own cost. Okay. The developer hereby undertake to prepare the new building plan for the submission before the authorities concerned for the sanction after execution of the instant development agreement and to complete the construction of the building diligently and expeditiously and shall offer the owner's allocation portion to the owners within 24 months from the date of sanction of the building plan from South Damdam municipality unless prevented by circumstances beyond its control. In such eventualities, the time shall be reasonably extended by the owners for more 6 months. This is very important. "24 months from obtaining sanction plan from South Damdam municipality." But what is the period? What will be the period But what will be the period in which period in which the developer will place his proposed sanction plan with the municipality. Therefore, from the date of execution of this agreement, there must be a period stating inter alia that in this period the developer should place his proposed sanction plan with the municipality for sanction. It may be 6 months, it may be 12 months. In my opinion, from the date of execution of the development agreement, the 6 month period should suffice the purpose for obtaining the proposed sanction building plan with the concerned municipality, and thereafter the 24 month will come for the purpose of construction of the new multi-storied building on and after demolition of the existing structure on the land. So therefore the 6 month at the first threshold, 6 months at the first threshold, 6 months at first. Thereafter 24 months. Thus total 30 months. Should be stated clearly in this paragraph. Therefore, on and after stating such a fact, which will happen that at the first threshold within 6 months, the developer will approach the municipality with his proposed building plan for the sanction by the authority concerned of the concerned municipality, and thereafter on and after obtaining within such period of 6 months, the developer will take another 24 months for the construction, erection of the new multi-story building. In terms of this sanctioned building plan by the authority of the South Damdam municipality. So therefore, a total period of 30 months should be stated clearly and categorically in this paragraph. At the first threshold 6 months, at the second threshold 24 months, and at the third threshold, if required due to the natural calamities or due to the act of the gods, then a further period of 6 months may be provided if required, otherwise not. This should be in this paragraph. It's okay. Authorization will give to present. This is also a okay for consideration commercialization the developer can do. Yes, from the developer's allocation. Yes, truly stated. Regarding the taxes and liabilities of the government, truly stated. True. Save and accept the owner's allocation, the developer can do whatever he wants for the purpose of his own commercial benefits. Okay. Okay. Can put the signboard. Yes, truly. If available, give the email address also. Now consideration of space allocation. Upon completion of the construction of the new building, the owner shall be allotted the owner's portion in terms of the Article 1, Clause 9, with the proportionate share or interest in the land, common areas including common roof right and other facilities. Also, upon completion of construction of the new building, the developer portion shall belong to the developer exclusively, and the developer shall be entitled to deal with and dispose of its portion together with the undivided proportionate share or interest in the land, common areas including common roof right and other facilities. Okay. The owner shall be entitled to transfer or dispose of the owner portion of the building with right. Truly stated. The developer shall also be similarly exclusively entitled to developer portion. It's okay. Common facilities, the owner shall bear and pay rate and taxes of all other outgoing in respect of the said premises till the end of the last quarter immediately preceding the execution of this agreement. Thereafter, the developer shall bear and pay all rate and taxes and other outgoing. Truly stated. Now miscellaneous. Miscellaneous. What covers it? Let us see. The owners and developer has executed this agreement purely on principal to principal basis, and nothing stated herein shall be deemed or considered as a joint venture or joint venture between the owner and developer, nor shall the developer and owner in any manner constitute okay. The owners and developer, as the case may be, shall not be considered to be in a breach of any obligation hereunder to the extent that the performance of the relative obligation is prevented by the existence of force majeure with a view. Okay. Now the jurisdiction, thereafter power of attorney, the Sri Kaushik Baul and Srimati Chaitali Baul will give the power of attorney, appoint Messrs. Rising, represented by its proprietor Srimati Chanda Saha, for the purpose of development of the property. to negotiate the terms and condition, to receive from the intending purchaser, to sign and execute, to present and sign, to ask a demand and receive, to institute any suit, to commence prosecute, to sign any correspondence, to appoint engineer, CTC, but cost and insurance spent and incurred in performance of the powers or conferred shall be borne by my said attorney as the cost of the construction of the said multi-storied building fully mentioned in the schedule here under written. First, schedule of the premises. Regarding the common area, third schedule regarding the structure, brick wall, inner wall, doors, frames, flooring, toilet, sanitary garage, sanitary ware, CP filing, window grill, balcony, electric, elevator, exterior paint, common area, security, others. Now Kaushik Balji find that honors allocation states about only what? Honors allocation states about what? Shall mean entire first floor, entire fourth floor and 50% of ground floor. It does not state about any forfeited money in generally seen in other development agreement nowadays, that at the time of execution and signing of the development agreement, developer will give some money, being a forfeited money, will not adjusted with anything, and thereafter the 50% or 55% or 60% or 40% will become the honors allocation of the FAR. So the money issue has not been given here. So you have to check this regarding the honors allocation. Regarding the honors allocation, you have to check money is not here. The honors allocation in page number 6 is stated, but the said allocation has not been given in the schedule below. At page number 20, honors allocation has not been shown. Honors allocation has not been shown. So page number 6, and 20. Honors allocation should be on both pages. Regarding money, nothing has been written. So whether the honors allocation will consist money or not, it has not been clarified. That money is adjustable, it is also not stated. Money would be given to you, it has not been stated. Whether any monetarily transaction contain the honors allocation, nowhere it has been whispered. So therefore, you must clarify with the developer regarding the forfeited money at the time of putting the signature on this development agreement, and also clarify the honors allocation very specifically and categorize. Number third, regarding the super built up area, the 30% or any other percent at the discretion of the developer, it would not be. It should be specified. It would not vary at the discretion of anyone whosoever. So therefore, at the first threshold, the forfeited money in the honors allocation. So therefore, at the second threshold, you must clarify the honors allocation. The honors allocation must be in the schedule of the property shown below in the development agreement. And thirdly, regarding the super built up area, the percentage must be categorized and specified. Therefore, বাউল বাবু আপনি এইটা দেখে নেবেন, ফরফিটেড মানি কথা কোথাও লেখা নেই, বলা নেই। ফরফিটেড মানি আদেও লেনদেন হবে কি না সেই কোনো হুইসপারিং নেই। অনার্স অ্যালোকেশান শুধু এক জায়গায় লেখা আছে। অনার্স অ্যালোকেশানে শিডিউল প্রোভাইড করতে হবে। এ শিডিউল, বি শিডিউল অ্যান্ড সি শিডিউল বিকাম দি ডেভেলপার্স অ্যালোকেশান। ইট উড বি categorically specifically stated below in the said development agreement. এটা খুবই প্রয়োজন। এবং থার্ডলি, রিগার্ডিং দি সুপার বিল্ট আপ এরিয়া, সেইখানে উনি 30% না 50% না 60% না 35% ওনার ডিসক্রিয়েশনে হবে, এইটা ঠিক না। এইটা স্পেসিফাই করতে হবে, ক্যাটেগরাইজ করতে হবে। এবং রিগার্ডিং দি কনস্ট্রাকশন অ্যান্ড রিগার্ডিং দি টাইম অফ দিস ডেভেলপমেন্ট এগ্রিমেন্ট, time of this development agreement, time of this development agreement, এক নম্বর প্রথমে 6 মাস এর মধ্যে বিল্ডিং প্ল্যান দিতে হবে। এক নম্বর বিল্ডিং প্ল্যান দিতে হবে 6 মাস। 2 নম্বর 24 মাসের মধ্যে কমপ্লিট করতে হবে। 3 নম্বর, ইফ রিকোয়ার, যদি প্রয়োজনীয়তা পড়ে তাহলে 6 মাস। কখন? ন্যাচুরাল ক্যালামিটিস, প্যান্ডেমিক, সিচুয়েশান বিয়ন্ড কন্ট্রোল, শুধুমাত্র সেই ক্ষেত্রে। টোটাল টাইম বিকাম 30 মান্থস। কমপ্লিট করে দিতে হবে। প্রথম 6 মাস লেখা না থাকলে এইটা অন্ধকারে আছে, ইন ডার্ক, যে ডেভেলপার কখন প্রপোজড বিল্ডিং প্ল্যান সাবমিট করবেন মিউনিসিপ্যালিটিতে, কখন উনি পাবেন, কবে উনি যাবেন। উনি যদি 4 বছর পরে যান তাহলে যখন স্যাংশন উনি পাবেন সেই ডেট থেকে 24 মাসের মধ্যে উনি কনস্ট্রাকশন করবেন। তাহলে indefinite period. Indefinite period এ কোনো কন্ট্রাক্ট হয় না. This contract become null and void because this is for the indefinite period. The period must be specified, categorized in a very logical manner, and in my opinion this should be at the first threshold, the 6 months, for approaching the municipality with the building plan for its approval, and thereafter on the basis of obtaining the such sanction plan, building plan from the municipal authority, the developer may consume 24 months for construction and completion. আশা করি আপনি বুঝতে পেরেছেন. আপনি এবার আপনার ডেভেলপারের সঙ্গে কথা বলে দেখে নিন. কোনো সংশয় থাকলে আমার সঙ্গে ডিসকাশন ফার্দার করে নিতে পারেন. উইথ দিস I am ending. End.